Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn about conjunction. Conjunction is a broad topic, but in this lesson we will cover in shortly. Okay, so conjunction definition, type of conjunction, how to use conjunction. Okay, so all aspects we will cover in this lesson. So before starting the video, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to understand objective of this lesson. Objective means at the end in this lesson you are able to understand definition of conjunctions and identify different types of conjunctions and use conjunction correctly in sentences. Okay, so let's start our lesson. So first of all, let's talk about definition or what are conjunctions. Okay, so conjunctions means very simple thing here. Conjunctions are words used to join words, phrases or clauses together. Okay, so conjunctions are words used to join words, phrases and clauses together. Okay, so they are all conjunctions. But for meaning, conjunction means connection, connects. Okay, so what words what words do you use to connect ideas or sentences? They are all conjunctions. Okay, so for example, I like apples, I like apples and bananas. So here and is a conjunction here because and connects two words here, apples and bananas. So we can say and is a connects conjunction here. And next example here, she is tired, she is tired but she will finish her work, she will finish her work. So in second example, what is a conjunction here? Because but connects two sentences like she is tired and she will finish the work. Two sentences. Okay, you can have coffee or tea, you can have coffee or tea. In third example, or is a conjunction here because or connects with coffee and tea. Okay, so or is a conjunction here. So I hope you understand what is conjunction. Conjunction are words used to join words, phrases, clauses together. Okay, so let's see types of conjunctions. Types of conjunctions here. First of all, mostly three types of conjunctions here. First is coordinating conjunctions, second subordinating conjunctions, and third corrective conjunctions here. So let's learn one by one. Our first conjunction type, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions means here for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. They are all coordinating conjunctions here. So these join two similar parts of a sentence. These conjunctions join two similar parts of a sentences. Okay, like words, phrases or independent clause. Independent clause, you know, independent clause means they are not depend on other sentences. Okay, other clauses for any kind of type meaning. Okay, so they are all independent clause. For example, I wanted to go, I wanted to go, but it started raining. It started raining. They are all they both of sentences independent because they are all easily show our own meaning without dependent any other sentences. Okay, so like I wanted to go, it started raining. They are both of independent sentences, independent clauses here, but connected with what. So we can say what is a coordinating conjunction here. Okay, next example here, she sings well, she sings well and she dances beautifully. She dances beautifully. So we can also say they are both of sentences independent because their meaning is independent or free without dependent any other sentences, any other clauses. Okay, so we can say and is also a coordinating conjunction here. So let's see next type. Next type, subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so subordinating conjunction, these connection dependent. These conjunction connect independent clauses with a dependent clause. Okay, independent clause with a dependent clause. Okay, so common example here, because, although, since, if, while, when, until. Okay, they are all types of subordinating conjunctions here. Okay, let's see example. So I stayed home because it was raining. I stayed home because it was raining. So stay home, the reason here, it was raining. Reason is it was raining, so we stayed home. So we also say because is a dependent clause, dependent conjunction here. Okay, although, second example here, although she was tired, she kept studying. Okay, she was tired, she kept studying. So reason here, because she kept studying, so he was tired. So reason here, so we can say although is also a dependent clause here. Okay, next up here, correlative conjunctions here, these come in pairs to link. Similar parts of a sentence. These come in pairs to link similar parts of a sentence. Okay, example, either or, neither nor, not only, but also, in both, and. Okay, they are all types of correlative conjunctions here. Okay, they are comes with pairs or link pairs, pairs form. Okay, example here, either you clean the room, or I will. Either you clean the room or I will. Okay, so this is a correlative because they are parts or similar parts, like I will, you clean room, and I will. Okay, so you can understand easily. She is, second example, she is not only smart, but also hardworking. She is not only smart and but also hardworking. So we can easily understand this is also a correlative conjunction here. This is a type here, not only but also. Okay, so you can easily understand types of conjunction like coordinating, subordinating, correlative conjunctions. Okay, they are all types here. In example here, you must remember examples of all types of conjunctions because they are very important. So if you remember these examples like for, and, nor, but also, like that, so you can easily understand, you can easily remember. Okay, so let's do some practice. I have some, so practice sentences here. Exercise 1, fill in the blanks. So let's fill. She wanted to buy the dress. She wanted to buy the dress. Okay, it was too expensive. So what kind of type conjunction we will fill in this blank space? Okay, so you can have coffee or tea. I stayed inside. It was snowing. Okay, so they are all practice here. Next, sentence combining. So there are sentences here. I love ice cream. I love cake. So you can easily combine these type sentences with conjunctions, subordinating conjunction or coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions also. You can easily fulfill the, and you can combine these sentence pairs, and you can fill these fill blanks. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, write in the comment box. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. So see you in my next video. Bye.